everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's recipe is delicious moist banana bread. This is the recipe which comes first to my mind when I have spotty bananas on my countertop. So let's not waste time, let's get started.
Let's check the ingredients to make banana bread. Unsalted butter half cup, granulated sugar 3/4 cup, ripe bananas 2, eggs 2, all-purpose flour 1½ cup, baking soda 1 teaspoon, salt ½ teaspoon, vanilla extract ½ teaspoon, chopped walnuts 1/4 cup, raisins 1/4 cup. I have used 2 bananas. You can also use 3 bananas for this recipe. If you use salted butter, then exclude salt. Add all-purpose flour, baking soda and salt in a bowl. Gently stir until the ingredients are combined. In a mixing bowl, combine butter, sugar and eggs. Whisk until completely combined and the mixture is smooth. Here is a very basic and very forgiving recipe that takes all of 10 minutes to whisk together. An hour of waiting while your house fills with tempting aromas, and then you will be snacking on your very own slice of warm, fresh baked banana bread. Add vanilla extract into the batter. Now peel the bananas and add them to the bowl. Using the end of the whisk or a dinner fork, mash them into the batter. Leave the bananas as chunky or as smooth as you prefer. If you prefer an entirely smooth banana bread, mash the bananas separately until no more lumps remain and then whisk them into the batter. I prefer a smooth banana bread, so I mashed the bananas separately. Add the flour, baking soda and salt mixture to the smooth batter and stir to combine. Fold in the nuts and raisins over the batter and gently fold them in. Now use little butter to grease the side and bottom of the loaf pan. Then dust with flour. This will help to keep the banana bread from sticking to the pan. Pour the batter into the prepared loaf pan, using the spatula to scrape all the batter from the bowl. Smooth the top of the batter. Bake in a preheated oven 350° Fahrenheit or 180° Celsius for 55 to 60 minutes or until a toothpick or cake tester inserted into the center of the loaf comes out clean. Baking time will vary slightly depending on the moisture and sugar content of your bananas. Start checking around 50 minutes and every 5 minutes after. Set the loaf still in the pan. Let it cool for 10 minutes. This helps the loaf solidify and makes it easier to remove from the pan. Lift the loaf out of the pan and place on the cooling rack. Cool for another 10 minutes before slicing. The only requirement for making banana bread is that you use ripe bananas. Once the skin starts to develop freckles and the fruits are just a little too soft for pleasurable snacking, then it's time for banana bread. Letting your banana ripen even longer until the skins are brown and the fruit falls apart when you peel it will make your banana bread even more strongly banana flavored and richer. Dear friends, if you enjoyed the recipe, give it a like, share, comment, and do not forget to subscribe my channel. Share your feedback about this recipe with me in the comment section below. You can also follow or message me on Instagram where I share even more recipes and pretty pictures. I have shared the link in description below. Thank you for watching. See you soon in the next one. Till then, bye. Take care.